Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hopefully you are enjoying good health. Let's start our today's lesson. Students, open page number 24. Today we will revise question number 4, 5 and 6 of lesson 3 unit 1. So let's start. Question number 4 is, why do you think is rainfall such an important factor for climate? So here in this question, we have to tell why rainfall is an important factor for the climate. Let's see the answer. Here is the answer of question number 4. So let's read the answer. Rainfall is an important factor for the climate as it provides water, which is essential for the survival of humans, plants, and animals. Explanation. Here, essential means important. Survival means stay alive or exist. So, rainfall is an important factor for the climate because it provides water, and water is very essential for the life on the earth, as without water there will be no life on the earth. Human beings, plants and animals could not survive without water. Moving towards the next question. Question number 5 is, what effect does closeness to the sea have on the climate of a place? So here in this question we have to tell how closeness to the sea affect the climate of a place. Let's see the answer. The answer for question number 5 is, places that are situated closer to the sea have a mild climate due to sea breezes that blow from the sea to the land. Explanation. Here, situated means located, mild means moderate, breezes means gentle winds. So, the places that are located near the sea have mild or moderate climate, like Karachi. Karachi is located near the Arabian Sea, and the climate of Karachi is moderate. Means in Karachi, summer is not extremely hot, and also the winter is not very cold. This is because of the sea breezes. Sea breezes are the gentle winds that blow from the sea towards the land. Moving towards the next question. Question number 6 is, give examples of usefulness of weather forecast. What is weather forecast? Weather forecast is the prediction of future weather. And here in this question we have to give some examples of the usefulness of weather forecast. Let's see the answer. Here is the answer of question number 6. So let's read the answer. Weather forecast is important for farmers as it informs them about forthcoming rains. Governments agencies can make evacuation plans in case of a cyclone or a flooding forecast. People can generally benefit from weather forecast and prepare for hot, rainy or cold weather. Explanation. Here, informs mean tell. Forthcoming means upcoming. Evacuation means empty the place. So, first of all, the weather forecast is important for the farmers as it tells them about the upcoming rains and they plant their crops accordingly. Secondly, it is important for the government's agencies as in case of a natural disaster like a cyclone, floods, the government agencies can make evacuation plans and save the lives of many people. Lastly, it is important for the general people as people can benefit from weather forecast and prepare for hot, rainy or cold weather.